Here I have the DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find button Screen Recorder. Hold your finger on it to access some of its settings. For example, you can enable or disable your microphone here, and you can show your taps. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, then tap Start Now, and after that recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. If you want to stop recording, just tap on this button, on this red button, and after that your recording will be saved to the gallery, to the... oh no, I have to update gallery. What a shame. Maybe next time. And here you can find in library in the captures album. And after that recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. If you want to stop recording, just stop. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.